I am 37 weeks pregnant, and I'm going to try to attempt to do some small knotless braids on myself. So the color I'm going to do is this T120B. So I'm gonna do a T20. Okay, so I'm going to do a T120B hair color. And this is what the hair color looks like. But it looks really, really dark off camera and without the ring light. This is day 1 of me doing my knotless braids. So today I think I'm just going to pre-part me out, blow dry and pre-part me out. Okay, so I already have the hair sorted, but you see how like off camera it's like really kind of brown. It's not that red that I think it should be. It's not like a 99J, but it's gonna work because this is the only hair that I have left, and I don't feel like going to the beauty supply store. And I am going to attempt to add this curly hair at the bottom. I want to add this curly hair at the bottom, but if I don't get it done, oh well, because I feel like I've been having Braxton Hicks, so I don't know if I'm going to even finish. Hopefully I'll finish, but today I'm just gonna pre-part and hope for the best that I can braid all day tomorrow if I can. So this is what we're doing. I'm gonna blow me out and then pre-part me out. Alright, so I bought my favorite mirror in here just so I can pre-part.
Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away.
Alright, so this is how I'll be going to sleep.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
Now for the ends, I am going to try to put hair at the end, and it's supposed to be wet and wavy, but I see tangle free and professional quality here. It makes me want to think that it's mixed with synthetic. Hopefully it's not, but I see human hair here, so hopefully it's not synthetic. So I'm going to use this here. I'm gonna add like little pieces for each braid. I'm gonna add like 3 pieces of hair for each strand. I know this looks so unprofessional with my mouth on braids, but it's my braids, so I can keep braiding. I probably want more on here. And I'm gonna keep braiding the black off until I get to like the red. Hopefully when I do it, it's not too much black at the end, but if it is, it's okay. So it's just, I don't ever like tie it because I don't know how to tie it, but I wish I could tie it. Some people tie like a little, I don't know how to do that because mine's all, it just looks like it's gonna unravel anyway. But that one was okay. I'm gonna go see what my daughter wants, so it's like it don't look that bad, but I know when I wet it, it's gonna look really. I'm gonna try to do it for all these braids that I did so far, but it's coming along nice. I just hope he lets me do it and my water don't break or my mucus plug don't come out, because I'm gonna be so mad. I got half a hair done, but who cares? I could probably put it up in the bun or something, but I need to hurry up and do the front. So yeah, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna finish my braids, because if I do the end and I finish my and I don't finish my braids, I'm gonna have a problem. So that's what I'll be doing. It don't even look like this on a regular. This blade really hurt for me. Sitting all day doing my hair. Oh Lord. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This thing really. And my feet look like hot dogs. Wait, sitting up here. This right here really like it's all up in here. Like it's so tough. This one jiggle.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl,
that's just how I'm gonna wear it until it dries. I wanted to do it smaller but thinner and braid side. I'll probably put a picture of. I wanted to just do extra small. I end up doing small anyway, extra small part, but I mean it worked. I'm really kind of disappointed at my hair because I thought it would be curly, but it's not. So I'm just gonna dip it again and just keep it straight. But other than that, I'm about to do my makeup, and I thought my camera looks really good at this angle in my bedroom, so we're gonna do it like that. I'm probably gonna do it fast because my eyebrows take too long. Like, you can't really see them, so I gotta find them and then carve them in, highlight them, do all that extra stuff. And I got a bump right here, so that's what I'm doing to finish this video.
my love. side, sitting on the grass, laying side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy.